In this quick video, I'll show you how to do heavy combos in WWE 2K24 for Xbox, PlayStation or PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, we need to go to main menu in order to see heavy combos buttons. So for that, I will simply click on my controller just like so, and then we just need to go to combos section. Here you will find all the keys which can be used for performing combos. I am seeing here Xbox keys right now because I am using here Xbox controller, but if you are on PlayStation, then you will see here all the PlayStation controllers, and if you are on your PC, then you will see all the PC controls here. But I am currently using Xbox controller, that's why I am getting here Xbox controls. So if you want to perform heavy combos, then multiple combos types are here. You can see neutral combos, towards combos and away combos. For the sake of this video, I'll show you how to perform neutral combos in this video. So all of the heavy combos ends with A on Xbox, X on PlayStation and K on PC. So these three combos are heavy combos because they are ending with A on Xbox, X on PlayStation and K on PC. So first combo is gut punch 5. For that I need to press 3 times X and A at the end. So I will firstly press X, X, X and then A, and there you go. I have successfully performed heavy combo in front of you. Now we will try second heavy combo, which is double X handle 11. For that I need to press twice X then twice A. So I will get my opponent up. For that I need to press twice X and then twice A. And there you go, I have again performed an heavy combo. So this is how you can perform your heavy combos, and you can find all of your controls in your main menu under combos section. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.